Jersey number 2, wala. Jersey number 3, low post, iuwi sa kanyang open, makasunod ka, nakakuha. Jersey number 12, all alone, raise it up. Is good. 15-6 ang ating score. 3 minutes. Crossover on the right side step. And there's a foul, shooting foul coming from jersey number 2. And that is first personal foul, first team foul. First attack, no good. Second throw, ready to go for the last and final throw. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni jersey number 11. Jersey number 2, pass 2. Jersey number 4, oy! Grabe din na yan. Singput landing. Kitang-kita ng ating referee. Kasusunod ang din nila. Oy, single tayo.
Hindi po nasa ka ng mga tulas.
Ani, kasi masyado siyang malapit. Ilayo mo yung speaker. Yung speaker ilayo mo.
Out of bounds, 114 seconds. Jersey number 4. Now on the jersey number 2. Out of bounds, same ball. 120 seconds. Oh, wala. Nakakuha. Out of bounds, same ball. 1 minute. Jersey number 2, drop. No good. Wala. Nakakuha ni jersey number 55. Pass break back to jersey number 12.
Hernandez na mga
Now, wala sa 3 ball. Basket. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds on the outside step. Pasok sa labas sa 3. No. Rebound by jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 2. Bounce pass. Sa wala. 16 seconds. 16 seconds. 16 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Basa na lang ulit ninyo. 5 seconds. Wala na. Our score is 21. 13 points lead for team blue. Okay, back to the ball game. Jersey number 2, ilibigay kay jersey number 0. Sa gitna, tutira, wala. Rebound, sa kanya pa rin, wala pa rin. Makakuha na ng kape sa ilalim. Shot lang is down to 10. 2 points. Jersey number 4, 14. to jersey number 3, tinira, wala. Pag-rebound ng jersey number 2. 1-on-1 situation, kaya gagawin. Si Nanile, wala. Jersey number 6, Tuna rescue. Babasa siya ng inahabol. 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 2. Didiscarte, jersey number 3. On the move, side step, sa kisna, pinuha sa depensa. Wala. Rebound, tapinan, nakakuha ni jersey number. Hindi makita, jersey number 77. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Jersey number 2, shot at kisna number 15. Shot at kisna number 10. Titira, wala. Rebound, jersey number 3.
On the move. Another steal.
Second throw.
Wala pa rin. Jersey number 38. Pass to jersey number 8. Still by jersey number 3. On the move, lays it up. 2 points. 23-12. Balik sa double digit. Ang pangalan, jersey number 73. To jersey number 0. Ang katanggalaw. Basket. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Hernandez. Side step is slow motion. There's a delay to the ball. Foul. Substitution rep. Substitution. Yeah. Substitution rep. First throw basket.
Isi Papa.
No good. 7 minutes. Wala. Jersey number 13. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 73. Shot clock is down to 10. Shot clock is down to 5. Good. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. At the move, jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 3. Sa ilalim papasabi. Basket. 25-15. Sakto ang inahabol. Jersey number 73. Side step. Lays it up. Using his left hand. Jersey number 8. Wala. Rebound. Jersey number 13. Balik kay jersey number 0. 6 minutes. On the move. Jersey number 8. 2-2-2. Abasa single digit ang inahabol. Minutes and 45 seconds.
Puntahan mo yung grab.
Shot clock is 15. Shot clock is down to 10. Out of bounds. Red ball. 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
May sukli pa to. 500 lang. Kung saan tayo pumasok dito, doon mo makikita yung grab food.
For 3, wala. Rebound, first and 13. Natatapas. Brioso for the rebound. Bounce pass, first and 55. Libre. Basket. 27-17. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Pass break. There's number 3. Israel. Nakuha niya.